If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to watch many interesting and helpful aquarium videos, tips and tricks. So in today's video, I will be unboxing the new 8-pin socket which I have ordered online for my big aquariums, requiring more number of sockets due to the number of equipments in use. I will be leaving the link of the product in the description below in case you decide to purchase the product. I have also received a mobile stand as this was a combo offer. And you can see it's the size of my palm and has one switch for 4 sockets each, the last one being a 3-pin one and also a fuse on top of it. The wire length is also quite sufficient, but I will be requiring more. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified about new and upcoming videos. This is my Bosch toolbox and this is the wire cutter which I got from my local hardware store. Including this tester, which are not included with the toolbox. I will also be leaving the link to buy this toolbox in the description below. So this is the wire which I will be using for the extension, and this is the male-female plug which I have also purchased from my local hardware store. Since this is an electrical job, therefore please make sure you do this carefully or seek help or get it done from an expert to avoid any electric shock. Now I will carefully separate them as we have to put each end in 2 different points of the plug, one being the neutral and other being live. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified about new and upcoming videos. Use the tip of the cutter to carefully cut off the outer rubber without cutting or damaging the inner copper wire, and do not apply too much of force. I am doing this for the second time after the self-installation of the aquarium light for my 1.5 feet aquarium, and you will find that video's link in the description below or simply click on the top I button. It's in the form of small pellets, as you can see. After opening this plug, you can see there are 2 screws, and I will unscrew these to insert the wire in each of the 2 points. This part is a little bit hard to get both the wires in place and then tighten the screws back, making sure the copper wire is firmly fit and does not come out after the screws are tight. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified about new and upcoming videos. Let's place the cover back, and while placing it back you have to hold the thin plate on the other side of the cover and only then tighten the screw. this plug, the screws are placed on the side and the copper wires have to be inserted from the top. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified about new and upcoming videos. I have removed the pin from the cover as I found this way easier as the screws were on the inside. Now let's put the cover back in the same way and make sure there are no loose connections or any copper wire is cut, as this may result in a slight electric shock. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified about new and upcoming videos. Now I will plug it into the socket, switch it on and check if everything is fine and there is no shock in any part, because in case anything is wrong you will feel a slight shock in the metal part of the tester. This is how the connections were previously. Now you can see how I have connected the extension wire with the socket wire and how useful this socket is when you have multiple equipments in one place.